Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to take this guy GPS and I made an off-road track. And I'm going to try it out and see how it works turn by turn on off-road. So this is a little case that I got off Amazon. I'll post a link below. But it's a perfect little case for this Garmin Zumo XT. Get it snapped on there. I'll make sure that it's snapped good. I hate for that thing to fall off. That would not be good, but it should lock in pretty good. So I just keep this little case in my pocket of my jacket, or I can carry it in my tail bag or tank bag, either one. It's pretty small. We will go see. Okay, so I want to go to my apps, trip planner. That's where I save the trip, save trips. Mark Twain, Forest Service Road. Begin to end. Go. We want to go begin to end, not to the closest point, which should be the same thing. It should be the beginning. And we're going to try it out. Acquiring satellites. I'm under this metal roof here at work, so it won't get that till I pull off my here probably. Here we go. It should get some satellites. So even if you don't have the sound on, up here it tells you 1.4 miles, we're going to turn left on Highway 76 toward Eagle Rock. But I do actually have the sound on. It's coming through my center, but I don't think you can hear it. Okay, we are at the beginning. It says drive to Highway 86. If you can see that there. Looks like there's somebody on a motorcycle in front of me. They have burnt this off recently. That is a little bike. Little bike and a big rider. As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters, huh? So it tells us the route through here, but I don't know that it's going to do turn by turn from one Forest Service road to another, because it obviously don't recognize the Forest Service road as a numbered road. So it probably can't say turn right on such and such road. So it probably won't do that. It may say turn right, but it may not even do that. We're going to find out, because we should have to take a right down here in a little bit. Beautiful day for a dual sport ride, no doubt. And tomorrow, as I said, more rain. Lots of rain, I guess. But even if it doesn't work on turn by turn because of the Forest Service road numbers, at least I know that I can mark out a track and go. Now, as you can see down here, we'll see if it shows the actual tracks that I have not marked and made as far as my trip here. And it don't look like it does, because I don't see anything but green out here. I see no lines showing where this goes straight on. It just shows the track that I made. So unlike the Magellan, which shows, it would show that all the way. This one, see if I zoom up, if it does. Still not showing anything. Zoom out. Yeah, it don't actually show it. You can see the highways up here. That's probably a creek down there. But it don't actually show that road going on, which on the Magellan TRX, it does show that. I think it shows all of them. So it don't say turn right up here. Road closed. Darn it! So I can't go that way. I could if I wanted to do what's wrong, but I'm not going to. So anyway, guys, there we go. Just a short video showing you that you can mark out a track. That's the track that I marked. I marked it on my phone, and I come down to this point, and turn right, and it shows me on there. It does a good job of that. If you can see, it shows me right here where I come down, and I'm supposed to go right, and it comes out right here. This would be my where I come out if that road wasn't closed. But it does not show all the little tracks and trails out here, which I don't care for that. Let's switch to a different type map and see what happens. I don't think that's going to help. Try layers, topograph, let's see if that does anything. It does. Okay, so when I put it on topograph, it shows that road going on down here, looks like. Yes. Very cool. Now it doesn't, I don't see a road number, but at least it does show me, and this is correct. If we go down through here, if you can see this, it shows where I'm at on this corner. This is the one going straight ahead, and it shows this one going up to the left. And that is correct. Okay, it does say right here, Farm Road 2225. That's what it says right there. Let's just follow this down a little bit and see. I'll need to stop my track. Or it's going to keep telling me to turn around and go back. So let me cancel this one. Stop. Now we'll just click on View Map so we can see where we're at here. And let's, I don't like that on 3D. I just like the 2D view. Okay, now see, when I put it on 2D, it does show right here, Farm Road 2200. I may have said that wrong earlier. I may have said 2220, I'm not sure, but it does show it going down through here, so let's, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Go back. Okay, there's ready to navigate. We're not going to navigate to nothing. We just want to see the map and see if it shows the actual trails on here. It don't do it quite like the Magellan, but it does show it. Let's just go on down and see. It tells me I'm driving southeast. Well, there's some pretty good water in this creek. Usually there's not in this spot. Good place to wash your tires. Or your whole bike if you hit it fast enough. Okay, so I gotta remember, gotta have it on topograph if I want to see all the trails out here. And obviously it shows them. So it's definitely showing the one that I'm on, right there. Now there's one that goes up the hill to the left down here, an old trail. That's the one I wanted to see. I think it shows it here. Yep, it shows it right there. That's the one that goes up on the hill to the left. Surprisingly, that's pretty good, because it's only showing the ones that are really here. And they've got it blocked off, looks like, but at least it does show it. That's what we pay our taxes for right there, guys. We pay our taxes so they can shut everything off. You can't use it anyway. Definitely some water in the creeks. Kind of don't smell too good down through here where they burn it. Pretty powerful, actually. It's not like a lot of smoke, but you can definitely smell the burnt. Smell pretty powerful. So now this one works too, so it does show a good job of that. It shows where this one goes straight forward here, and then the one goes up the hill to the left, so it's definitely working. I like that part. So very cool. I'm glad of that. Anyway, I just had to select topo on the map part. I never use that topo. I can click on bird's eye if you have it downloaded, which obviously I don't for this area, so it ain't gonna show bird's eye, but you can download the bird's eye for free. which is basically like Google Google Earth. It shows the aerial view. I don't use it, don't care for it. It's okay if you want to, but just not my thing. So there we go. Awesome. Check this out. I'll put a link below. I'll put a link to that case too below if I can find the link. Just wanted to show you the Garmin Zumo XT and see if it actually does show these off-road trails, and it actually does. And you can make the maps where it will actually direct you as long as you follow the route you chose. Otherwise, but I'm not one to do that much. I usually just like to come down here and I will look at my track like this one that I didn't make, just ones that's out here. And I can look and say, okay, I can go out there, but you can tell that one just dead ends. So I don't want to go this way. I want to go this one that is a long ways here. That's the one I want to go on. So that's what I do. I just follow the ones that I can see that just don't dead end in no time. And it looks like all these just keep going there anyway. Very cool. So I like it. I definitely like this GPS. One thing I like about this GPS versus the Magellan is it's so nice and small. For a DUALSPORT, it's great. Now the Magellan, that big 7-inch screen, is super awesome in the Jeep or side-by-side, some ATVs maybe, something like that. Or even on a big adventure bike, it's good with that 7-inch screen. But on a small DUALSPORT, this little screen is nice. So as I said, thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Check out the links below. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.